Next question is, Indian Prime Minister has been conferred with Legion of Merit honor by which country? So it is US. US President Donald Trump conferred the Legion of Merit honor to Indian Prime Minister. In fact, he conferred this award to Prime Ministers of Quad countries. What is Quad? It is Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. It is informally known as Asian Arc of Democracy. So 4 countries are the members of Quad: Australia, India, USA and Japan. So this Legion of Merit honor was given to former Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. It was given to Indian Prime Minister Mr. Modi, and it was given to the Prime Minister of Australia, Scott Morrison. Now, recently these 4 countries were also in news because of Malabar naval exercise. Actually, this exercise started as a bilateral naval exercise in 1992 between USA and India. In 2015, Japan became the permanent member of this exercise. That means it became trilateral exercise. Now this year, even Australia participated in this exercise. So all 4 Quad countries participated in Malabar exercise this time. Recently, Quad was also in news as the second meeting of Quad held in Tokyo in Japan. Recently, Japan was in news as it signed RAA, that is Reciprocal Access Agreement with Australia. So it is a defense cooperation agreement which has been signed by Japan and Australia. Now recently, Japan was also in news because of a scandal, as former Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe was accused of a cherry blossom scandal. So a question can be asked that this cherry blossom scandal is related to which country?